CS Level 2 is where you stop learning to code and start thinking like an engineer. This course takes everything from Level 1 and pushes it further. You'll build real web applications, work with databases, explore machine learning, and defend against real cyber threats. We open with one of the most important ideas in all of software development: object-oriented programming. Chapter 1 teaches you to model the real world in code, using classes, objects, inheritance, and polymorphism. You'll build a full bank account system and an animal kingdom hierarchy. Chapter 2 goes deep on algorithms. You'll learn recursion, understand how the call stack works, and discover asymptotic notation, the way engineers measure how efficient their code really is. Big O, big omega, big theta. Bubble sort versus merge sort. This is how professionals think about code. Chapter 3 solves a problem every programmer knows: the final VE3 actually final.py problem. Git and GitHub teach you version control, how to track changes, branch your work, recover from mistakes, and publish your projects for the world to see. Chapters 4 and 5 are where you build real, live web applications. Chapter 4 introduces Flask, using Python to serve web pages, handle forms, and manage user sessions. Chapter 5 adds databases, SQL, login systems, password security, and protected routes. By the end, you'll have a fully working task manager app with real user accounts. Chapter 6 introduces data science. You'll use pandas to load and clean real datasets, and matplotlib to turn raw numbers into charts that tell a story. The project, a sports analytics deep dive, loading real data, asking real questions, and producing visualizations that actually mean something. Chapter 7 covers cybersecurity, not just theory, but real attack types you need to know: phishing, brute force, SQL injection, cross-site scripting. You'll run an actual security audit on a vulnerable Flask app, find the weaknesses, and patch them yourself. The final chapters bring it all together. Chapter 8 builds a real terminal chat app using sockets, making networking tangible. Chapter 9 introduces machine learning, supervised learning, decision trees, and how to read a confusion matrix. And Chapter 10, saved for last, teaches clean code and debugging, because now you have real, complex code worth refactoring. Here's what you'll have actually built by the end of CS Level 2. Not toy exercises, real working projects you can put on a GitHub portfolio and show to anyone. After Level 2, you'll have the skills that most adults spend years trying to learn: web development, data science, security, machine learning. The foundation is yours. What you build with it, that's entirely up to you. This is CS Level 2. This is where you go from student to builder. Let's get started.